Dr. El Yaubor, Director kami Khalaya AIDS Control Society, kelai tu bagi nong pang HIV bala register haduk menta baro kidan kumbai sipawajar news pak khat laimut. Ia kani ke Dr. Yaubor kelai tu hadin melawai ke program halor jeng pang HIV bat kumno banyada banlai nau niu kenyang jeng pang. Ia kani ke program la penang hal usul sutam auditorium. Ke Dr. Yaubor kelai tu bana pedang kini ke sipawajar news pak khat laimut kibabun kidai na East Jaintia Hills bat West Jaintia Hills District hak baki dan lang kisamla bat kumcuru kirang ba. Ke Dr. Yaubor kalau ongru badan kam ban pensung thu pai ba dan di ban pelong yang jing ai jing hikai kum ka awareness program kala kenturu ik tu badan niu kenyang jingpang bakin mi syakmat dak benta ban pak sumar yala di.
Nomor kidan kibadan kene ka jingpang sini.
The cumulative numbers registered people living with HIV till today it is 10,713.
And kini di kibawan ban tinggal din.
Oh, kini kiba registered galadi.
Apa
Nomor
karena
kini people living with HIV.
Kini ba kasi jam na kailangan juga kenapa saya haji ada macam untuk awareness program bagi
Kajinya dah ki kebanengkong kadai awareness program. Nomor ba kin tip ya dede ya ka status jengki. Nang ta bakin come forward bangin test ki. Nang tan de latas in case bagi long positive bangin registered ki bangin link ki sya ki to di treatment center KRT center so that bagin shimmi ki dawai but kini kita wai ki happen di like the whole life ki happen di regularly nang bagi ni ka virus load jengki kanang suppress they still even if they are having HIV in them they still can live normally if they take the medicine regularly.
kini na district ayu ba
Nampak Hamzul haduk mata kadai na Jaintia Hills, the East Jaintia Hills and the West Jaintia Hills.
mem kini kisko hajar ngut na kalian ke government ni na kamek ke ajing irap ya ti.
Kacing yarap di angka ayu te kadai ka ayu hi ka treatment hi bangi ayaki awareness hi bangi ayaki.
Dan kini kisko hajar ngut kini ba dikena samlan ni temen ni.
It's a mix, but most of them maximum they are young people. More than 52% they are below the age of 30 years.
Jika jumpun kalau abang orang berkat hebat sendiri ni,
More or less same, but I think the male side is more than the female. Kajingbon jang kini ki people living with HIV kadai ka banengkong kadai ba menta bangi enhancing and testing ka awareness ka banengkong kata namar kibriu menta kila along aware nang tu kadai langsung tu they come forward for testing reporting then some of them also like willing to treatment kadai kata ka number 1 nang ta ka number 2 kadai ka rampan casual sexual activity, especially among the young people, less than 30 years. And another point is that because of the migratory population, people are coming, the laborer from outside the state. That is the most important. Kini ka kajengkiu ka kiubet now kani ka state jongi kami kalaya ka lalong epidemic kani ka HIV as of now kalong epidemic empat dan kata bangin bangilaban tu ka kiubet menta na takadaw ngi haban enhance awareness ngi don kam kajeng shimata jeng kini ki community ki public bakin come forward for testing but bakin long adherent yaga treatment ro nang bangila ban suppress yaga nika viral load ka dan ka metaki nang ba kin im ka balong normal kun kiwi paki brew
Which year to which year?
kani ka like cumulative number till now till September
I mean from which year it has been started?
kani tan nado bastang hikan nado bastang